through-hole reflux soldering connectors. Adopting the reflow soldering process, automatically picked up and inserted into tin paste-coated PCB through holes. Our company has developed a series of products. Pitch sizes are 1.25 millimeters, 1.5 millimeters, 2 millimeters, 2 millimeters with lock, 2 millimeters dual row with lock, 2.5 millimeters, 2.5 millimeters with lock, 2.5 millimeters dual row, 3.96 millimeters with lock. Both straight pin and right angle pin versions are available, plus a 2 millimeters pitch leadless design for easy automatic pickup. The insulator withstands high temperatures up to 270 degrees Celsius, compatible with standard SMT soldering processes. Leveraging the advantages of surface mount technology, through-hole insertion delivers better mechanical connection strength than conventional SMT.